We're on a dolphin excursion boat ride looking for dolphins. There's one right there. I don't know if we can see it in this. It's February 7th. Oh my goodness, right there. I hope I'm recording this. Where did it go? So we're on we left from Marco Island, and this is February 17th. We're on a dolphin excursion ride. We've seen like about 5 or 6 dolphins so far, and one has jumped up. I think the dolphin. Oh, there's right there. So we saw some good dolphins in the back now. Oh, it's right there in front of us. They swim all over. Once they go under, you can't see where they go. Oh, right there, right there. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's smiling at us.
Oh my god! Oh my god! It's so close.
He likes that boat.